After cleaning, the seeds undergo cracking and dehulling. Cracking breaks the hard outer shell of the seeds, facilitating easier extraction of the kernel. Dehulling separates the shell from the kernel, improving the efficiency of oil extraction and enhancing the quality of the final product. The kernels are then crushed into smaller particles. The crushed kernels are subsequently cooked or steamed. This thermal treatment denatures enzymes that could affect oil quality and helps in restructuring the cellular structure of the kernels, making it easier to press out the oil. After cooking, the material is pressed using screw presses or hydraulic presses. The mechanical pressure forces the oil out of the kernels. In some cases, especially when higher yields are required, the crude oil obtained from pressing may be further refined through solvent extraction. Hexane or other solvents are used to extract additional oil from the leftover cake. The solvent is later removed by distillation. Finally, the crude tea seed oil undergoes refining processes, including degulling, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. These steps remove impurities, improve color, odor, and taste, resulting in a clear, high-quality edible oil suitable for consumption. Throughout this process, the principles of mechanical force, heat application,